to speak about my topic. Knowledge is power. The power that can transform all your spheres of life and activity is what we call knowledge. Knowledge has power that can work as an instrument like to create or destroy life on earth. The first word revealed in Quran was Iqra, which means read, seek, knowledge, educate yourself, educated. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, every Muslim is obligated to seek knowledge. My dear audience, every Muslim is obligated to seek knowledge, regardless of their gender, age, ethnicity, social status, and many more. We all have equal rights to have education and seek knowledge to improve and empower ourselves as liberating individuals of the Ummah. My dear audience, there are two types of knowledge, religious and non-religious. Non-religious is for day-to-day problem solving and religious for a smooth life on earth and hereafter. My dear audience, religious knowledge including knowledge of laws, which was the basis for the Muslims' way of life. My dear audience, at the Battle of Badr, in which Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gained victory over his opponents, 70 people of the opponents were taken prisoners. This war literate in people in order to benefit from the education, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam declared that if one prisoner teach 10 his children how to read and write, this will serve is random and will be set free. This was the first school in the history of Islam, established by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself, with all his teachers being non-Muslims. Furthermore, they were all prisoners. There was a risk that after the release, they will again create problem for Islam and Muslims. This sunnah is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, with all his teachers being non-Muslims. Furthermore, they were all prisoners. There was a risk that after the release, they will again create problem for Islam and Muslims. This sunnah is Prophet Muhammad Islam. So that education is to be received whatever the risk involved